Hello friends, good evening. Welcome back to our trade with the magic candle. I hope everyone is doing good, friends. As you people know, trend is our friend, friends. Trend is our friend. As we discussed yesterday evening, so the same thing has happened. What we discussed? We discussed that this candle had a rejection here and it made the spinning top. So what we discussed, if the opening of today's candle opens from here, if it moves upwards and closes here, then it will definitely reach this point. The same thing has happened. Of course it made a retracement here, but friends, always the candle should be on closing basis. Either it is 5-minute candle, 15 minutes candle or daily candle, whatever it is. The way we are watching or the trade we are doing or the analysis we are doing, whether it is 5 minutes candle or daily candle. So according to the daily candle, we are doing daily analysis. And another thing, friends, this is 50-day moving average. Earlier I kept it for 200-day moving average. Now it has taken the trend has taken the support of 200 moving average. So analysis will be on 50-day moving average. See friends, exactly the yesterday candle made support over the 50-day moving average and made, of course, the spinning top. If we close this candle, means if we don't consider this candle, then this is the top here, this is double top, whatever. So they say the pattern happened here, this made a long gap down, it's a long lower trend and made uptrend, then these two become the tops. So this is the spinning top candle. So what the rule says, friends, so today it opened here and again it made some movement here in the whole day. Again it retraced and went upside. So finally, just see the pattern, friends. This candle made a high. See, this line is not drawn today. This trend line was drawn yesterday only. So this is the same point, and we discussed about the same thing, that around 280 points here. I think you remember it. Nearly 280 points. See, we discussed yesterday only. Nearly 280 points. See, 275 to 280 points. So this candle made opening here and it came to 280 point, friends. This is not so easy, and it has made the big candle here. This is a so indecision candle. This was also indecisive candle, this is also indecisive candle, but made a big wick up and lower side. As today was a Thursday, which is expiry day, made a big move. But see the friends, the beauty of technicals. See, on 15 minutes candle, this line was drawn yesterday only, not today. So exactly at this point it made again the spinning top at that line only. This is not drawn today, friends. When we go still inside, see, this is the anyone can answer it. This is bearish engulfing pattern. So this is bearish engulfing pattern followed by doji, then the gap down below the doji, then the trend continued. Again it made a bullish engulfing, but this top is very important, which gave the rejection. Just observe this, friends, how technicals work. Exactly at that point the rejection happened, but ultimately our analysis become correct. So that is very important, how we analyze, how the trend will go and how the candles will happen, how the market reacts. This is very important. Can you see this? This has taken support here and rejected here. And you people know I took the positions here and I hold it till here. Yesterday also I was in a confusion state. When it opened here and it went up, it came down. Of course the trade should be taken on the or executed or entered or exited on the closing basis, but I thought of exiting here only. I don't know what will happen on the next stage. So of course the opening was good and it was moving in upside, but my target was here, so I exited here today. If I would have kept, then I would have made a big movement here and I would have gained a lot of profits. This was my profit, today's profit. This is not this one, this minus this, so it's good. If I wouldn't have exited though until this top target resistance, if I solved here or if I exited here, I would have made at least 48 to 50,000 rupees. But I don't have any eagerness like that. I am satisfied with what I earn. I am satisfied with what I analysis, but I would have kept it here only. It's okay. Little bit of burning in my stomach, that will be there. I should hold our breaths. We should hold our breaths. We should control our emotions. That is very important, friends. Then coming back to Bank Nifty. See friends, this was the point where we could have initiated our trades, that is hedges. As we discussed yesterday, this made a big candle. We can take or we can make the positions at this point. So it came here, we would have taken here, but now we can't do anything, friends, as because this was the resistance and again this is the resistance for the double top. But a good pattern, this is a W pattern. When it breaks now, then this makes a good consultation and a good point for our analysis to take trades or anything. I am not talking about any trades and all. You please analyze yourself and execute what you learned. So trend is our friend, friends. Always the candles and the trend will definitely help, apart from the global issues, but those are also concerned. Finally, what we see, that we should believe. Coming back to the individual scripts, Jash is good. Supriya, good. Aditya Birla, okay. Let it be, friends. I thought of discussing you with the nice and good fundo, technically good stock or good scripts for the analysis. So today is over. What about tomorrow then? So with the daily candles, this pattern says, according to me, that this may consolidate very much here. This may consolidate very much here. It may or may not be, I don't know, but what I think. Till now, whatever we have discussed, whatever we have analyzed, the same thing is happening. So this candle is a big indecision candle with a bigger wick upper and bigger wick lower. So this is a consolidative phase, friends. It may gap up or it may gap down, that is immaterial. But tomorrow is Friday, the week ending day. Let's observe for tomorrow's weekend day. So this is 100-day moving average. So it has taken a nice support here, and it had made a big resistance candle, and the tomorrow daily candle makes it a Marubozu. Then this becomes even a morning star signal, friends. So this is a red Marubozu. This is green Marubozu. So that is a great indicative of a good uptrend here. So that means next week will be very nice one. See, next week if it opens above here, then definitely this will be the target, friends. Let's draw it from here to here. I think from here to here, nearly 1200 points from here to here. That's because I don't see any hurdles here. These are small hurdles, but that doesn't count according to me. That's because this Marubozu and these indecisive candles followed by a bullish engulfing pattern, that too very supportive to the 100-day moving average, is a very strong indicator. The trend may go upside. Of course, this might be the second top that we call as double top. There might be some resistances here. If it crosses this, then again the bullish market will be seen. So till then, till tomorrow, end of the candle, till tomorrow end of the candle, we will wait and watch the weekly candle, then decide. So that's it, friends. I am really happy for your views and all. Thank you for the support, and I think you might be getting a good knowledge from this one. That is very important. So I hope you are getting a good knowledge from this one, or it might be helping your knowledge. You might be a very big analyst, but I hope this is going good. According to what we analyze, the same thing is happening. That is very important. And the individual stocks are also doing good. Bank Nifty is doing good. There are still a lot more things to discuss, friends. There is so much of knowledge we have. So there are so many things to decide. This is just initiation. We are doing only Nifty, Bank Nifty and individual scripts. There is much bigger than these things, friends. So let's explore all those things with each other, you people and me. So thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.